What's up guys, Clifford from Tohoku speaking. Stay tuned for 5 upgrades to my kit in this week's 5 in 5. Let's go. Hey guys, so going back to Florida was awesome time well spent with friends and family in the warm weather of sunny Florida. It was great, but I was also looking for the opportunity to upgrade my video kit because this year my theme is going more mobile. After some of my adventures last year carrying all my video gear with me, especially up to the 1,000+ steps of Yamadera during the summer, still got to show you guys that video, I decided that going mobile would be better for my back. All right, with no further ado, let me get to the 5 things that I use to upgrade. And in the interest of full disclosure, I'm not being sponsored by any of these companies for any of the stuff. I bought these things, or these things were bought for me by friends on my own. So I just want to talk to you about those things. All right, so the first thing that I got was the Ulanzi U-Rig Pro, which is a rig that you use for your smartphone with dual handles, helps you to keep a stable image. It has 3 cold shoe mounts on the top of the bracket, which is really convenient for me to place my audio mic and plug it in to my iPhone, as well as a few other accessories, leading to my second major accessory. It was labeled as being sold by Ulanzi, so I'll call it Ulanzi. It's the W49 LED video light, and I actually got 2 of these purchased for me. So in conjunction with my shotgun mic on the top mount, cold shoe mount, I bought 2 of these lights that are AA battery operated. You can use them. They have adjustable brightness, more or less, and so I can evenly light my face and do more videos like this. So that was the second major item that I got on my wish list. The third item that I got on my list were these Kingavuth 9-in-1 cell phone lens adapter. So pretty cool. Let me go ahead and open it for you. It came with a little lens wipe. That's really considerate of them. Also comes with a carabiner, so you can attach it to the little latch here. But inside the case, they have 9 different cell phone lenses. And this ran about $24 off of Amazon. I want to show you one lens that I really like. It has a 20x macro lens. Attached to it is a super wide angle lens, so that helps me increase my field of view. The picture still ends up being a little bit rounded on the edges, but nothing that I can't probably fix within Final Cut Pro 10. So I have that. I also have a fisheye lens. There's also, I want to say a CL, made to cut the brightness kind of lens. There's a kaleidoscope lens, don't really care about that. A sparkle lens, don't really care about that. But then there's also, yeah, like I said, a 15x macro and a wide angle lens. I've already been playing with those macro lenses, trying to get nice foreground shots. It's extreme shallow depth of field, but I'm really excited about those lenses to use in conjunction with some of the other stuff that I got. Now the fourth item I got was the Ulanzi triple cold shoe mount, which has 3 cold shoes, and you can obviously attach the aforementioned lights, which are illuminating my face right now, to the sides. I can put the mic that I have in the front, and it has a 1/4 inch thread that you can thread to the bottom of anything, including this U-Rig Pro, but it makes no sense to mount it to this rig, as this rig already has 3 cold shoe mounts of its own. I actually got this with something else entirely in mind. Now, this is Old Faithful. I've used her everywhere I went, and I will still continue to use her in various situations. But what I've been eyeing for a few months now is right here. Da, 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 da. That's right, the Zhiyun Smooth 4 smartphone gimbal. And I've been looking at this for months. I was kind of on the fence because there was not yet any compatibility with my favorite iPhone filming app, Filmic Pro, but as of, I believe, September, they upgraded compatibility of Filmic Pro to be used with the Zhiyun Smooth 4, and let me tell you, I have been really happy with the footage I've been able to get thus far with Filmic Pro in conjunction with the Zhiyun Smooth 4. And it's a lot lighter of a setup, so I can carry this around in a lot of lighter backpacks. I can hike those steps of Yamadera with my smartphone, still get great images, great footage. Now, I haven't tried to get a counterweight with this yet, but I'm hoping to do so that I can attach these cell phone lenses onto the smartphone, use them in conjunction with one another to get some really nice smooth footage. So everyone, that wraps up this week's 5 and 5. Thanks for watching this video on the 5 ways that I upgraded my video kit. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. If you want to see more videos, click subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified when a new video is published. And leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check you guys on the flip side. Peace!